Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to open two more Na Surprise, the minis, and another Zombie Forever. So in a previous video I opened two more Zombaes and one Na because I wasn't really sure about these, and I just grabbed one and I got this adorable a little girl. She's so cute, absolutely adorable. And you see I did get her socks on. Wasn't as bad as I thought. And for the Zombies, we got Miss Everlasting, little beauty queen. And I love that these come with a stand. And we got Cold Hearted. This is the very first one I got and wasn't able to find anymore, so that took a pause. And then we got, I think this one is called Love Struck. And what's cool about these little dolls is, I'll show you. So you can trade their hair. You can swap their hair and any hair accessories that they have. And you can also swap their legs. So that's cute. Now, the one that I want is this one right here. And it is She's Shady. So I'm really hoping that I got her. I think I found a code. Not 100% sure, but we'll see. And then for Na, I didn't know that they actually have codes on their boxes. Right here, little sticker. Right here, little sticker. Tells you what they are. But you have to have a collector's guide to be able to get that key. So you can see down here in the bottom, it lists their names and a little symbol. So Paula Perfect has a little kitty cat. So her box had this symbol on it. And the two that I'm after this round is this Dalmatian one. She is so cute. And this panda one. So, and then the next two I want is this Meow and this Lucky. Yeah. So, let's have a look. I'm going to do the Zombie first because it's not as messy, if you know what I mean. But these ones, these little Zombies, they're $2.99. They're really cute. They look good over in the MiniVerse spaces. They are a great size for that. So if you have an Ollie's, check it out. Okay, now got my fingers crossed that we got She's Shady. So I'm going to remove these in case there are any cheats. I don't want to know. You get a tissue, a bag, and then this is just a customer service number. But there's her little bed. They all look the same. A little coffin bed, perfect for spooky season. So this is our doll, and their bags open with this cute little zipper. Oh, you guys, did we get her? Did we get her? Did we get her? Oh, I think we got her. So the code worked. Yes. Thank you, Reddit. All right, here are her accessories. I love this tissue. It's nice, thick. It's a waxy type of tissue. So here she is. And like I said, you can take her hair off. There's her brains. So you can take her hair off and swap with another one of the girls if you want. Here is her dress. I'm going to take her hair off while I put her dress on. Just makes it a little bit easier. So there's her dress. Here's her stand pieces. stand together. Actually, she needs a 1 click, not a 2 click. Okay. Put her on her stand. I love that these come with stands. Put her hair back on her. No idea why I'm struggling because it's straightforward. There we go. She has some cute glasses. Put her glasses on her. Look at her. Her little eyelashes are sticking up above. That is so cute. And here is her umbrella, which goes in this hand. Get her arm moved. All right, you guys, there she is. Look how precious. I absolutely love her. She is so cute. Of course, I took her umbrella out of her hand. So yes, I'm so excited. All right, so here is her stickers. They each come with a set of stickers. And here's her pouch. Be careful when you open this that you don't rip their card. So here is her card. And you just put it right there. And there's her display box. Yay! She's so sassy, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love her so much. All right, so yay. I don't know if I will go after any more of these. This little rockin' piece is cute because I like her guitar with the skull on it. This little shop till you drop is cute. I like her little skull ponytail holder. This glitter bomb is rare. I really don't care about that one, but I do like Ready to Drop. She's cute in her little pajamas. So we will see. So let's open it, and I am prepared for cleanup for the little, not glitter, but little chunkies that fall out. I'm just gonna score along here to help with opening. There are 3 pouches. You get your doll, which we know this is full of. You hear that? Yeah. Lots of little bits in there. And then, I don't remember what this is, but I know this is shoes. So, let's see if we can not make too big of a mess. Yeah, most of it has stayed in the packaging. All right. And there is, I don't know if you can see down in there, but there is a ton of those little shaker bits down in there. Okay. All right. Yay, I didn't make a mess that time. Oh, there are still some pieces that are gonna fall, which is, it's all right. So let's get this little chickadee out of this packaging. Oh, she is so pretty. And I picked her because my youngest daughter is 30. My baby is 30, you guys. And she's actually getting married in 2.5 weeks. And I, her mama, will be performing the ceremony for them. And I'm excited, but I'm nervous because am I going to cry? But she loves pandas. So I got this just for her. Well, for me, but, you know, because of her. And these little na-na-nas are so cute over in the MiniVerse spaces. They are so cute. So here's her dress. Here are her shoes. Yay, I don't see any socks. Okay. Here's her little dress. I love it. With the cherry blossoms. Their hair is so soft and it's not full of product. It's done really nicely. Of course, it is made by MGA, the people who bring us our beloved MiniVerse, so you know they do everything nicely. Okay, so there she is in her little dress. And y'all know that pandas come from China, and I believe so do cherry blossoms. So that's why the cherry blossoms with her dress. Get her last little shoe on. Okay. There she is, all dressed. Her little shoes, so cute. They have a little bow on the ankle, and they're like this kind of like little platform. So cute. All right, let me use this last little bit of confetti or shaker bits into this bag, and let's open the next one. Again, there are 3 packages: shoes, outfit, and doll. Let's try to get as much of that shaker content down as we can. All right, she's got a ton down in there too. My goodness. And here she is, super pretty. So cute. She's got the little Dalmatian hat. She has a white half of her hair and a black half of her hair and a red gloves. So let's get her dressed. So cute. Okay. Her outfit is a 2-piece because she has the jacket I'm really hoping I do not mess up her hair trying to get her dressed, because her little curls are super perfect. Super, super cute. Aww. Look at her little dress. And she even has like the little beauty mark right there by her lip. So cute. So her jacket has the plastic or vinyl on the inside, but it is the fuzzy fabric on the outside. Since they do have some articulation, it makes it a little easier to put their clothes on. And I messed her hair up a little bit, but not too bad. Let's do her little shoes. Oh, she's got socks too. Ugh. They're little like fishnet style. Trying to find the toe. There she is in her little red bottom shoes. So cute. Absolutely adorable. So there is that one. There is that one. There is that one. Look how precious. So you guys, let me know what you think down below. I hope you're all doing amazing, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.